Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to provide a solution to this interesting Olympiad Mathematics question, and the question reads, if x plus y is equal to 19 and x times y is equal to 9, then what is the actual value of x times the square root of x plus y times the square root of y? While dealing with Olympiad Mathematics question, you should know that you are not required to solve the system or solve the equation given to you to obtain the unknown variables. No, just do whatever kind of manipulation you could just to find the value of that given expression. So I would like to start with a substitution just to simplify our expression a little bit. So I would like to let the square root of x to be equal to, let me take a. This is my substitution, and the square root of y to be equal to b, something like this. So the moment you square both sides, x will be equal to a squared and y will be equal to b squared by just squaring both sides. So now what will be our expression in terms of a and b? Remember, x is now what? A squared. Square root of x is a. If you multiply them, because this is multiplication, right? This time this will give us what? A cubed. A cubed plus what? This is y, which is b squared. Square root of y is b. Times them, you get b cubed. So evaluating a cubed plus b cubed is equivalent to evaluating the whole of this, because we have made a substitution. Eventually we are going to change this x and y in terms of a and b again. But let me simplify this. Remember, this can be written as what? A cubed plus b cubed is the same thing as a plus b to the power of 3. Take away 3, a times b multiplied by a plus b. Yes. If you want to get this, you can take a plus b, raise it to the power of 3, then find the terms. You know you're going to get some terms. In the terms, you must get a cubed plus b cubed. Just make that a cubed plus b cubed the subject. You must get this. Now let's go back to our main two equations. X plus y will now be what? A squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared is equal to what? 19. What about this one? X times y will be what? A squared times b squared is equal to what? 9. But from here you can take square root of both sides, which implies that ab is equal to 3. Yeah, square root of the left hand side will give us ab. Square root of the right hand side will give us 9. Why do we have only 3? Because both x and y are positive. You should know that. Now let us continue. From here, a squared plus b squared, I can do the same thing I did here. I know a squared plus b squared is the same thing as a plus b squared. Take away 2ab. If you want to find out, you can square this. You have to get some times that correspond to a squared plus b squared, then make that a squared plus b squared the subject. You must get this, and this still equal to what? 19, unchanged. Wow. Now we can do another substitution here. A plus b is what? Let me see, do we have a plus b? No, we don't have such. So instead, let us find it. A plus b squared minus, but ab is already 3, so this is going to be 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 19, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, so this is negative 16, negative 6, and once negative 6 crosses over, it becomes positive 6, and 19 plus 6 is 25, which implies that a plus b to the power of 2 is equal to 25. If you take square root of both sides, a plus b will be 5, definitely, which implies that a plus b is equal to 5. Now we have ab and we have a plus b. And remember, I told you that a cubed plus b cubed is equivalent to this expression we are looking for, right? They are equivalent. And we have learned that a cubed plus b cubed is the same thing as this. So if we could find the value of this, it will be equivalent to the value of this. So a plus b is 5, but raised to the power of 3 minus 3 times AB. AB is 3, right? Then multiplied by A plus B, which is 5. This is the only two we need to do. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Take away 3 times 3, 9, and 9 times 5 is 45. 125 minus 45 is equal to 80 exactly. So the value of this expression is 80 provided x plus y is equal to 19 and x times y is equal to 9. If you want to find out whether this is really true or not, solve these equations simultaneously, obtain the values of x and y, plug them here and evaluate to see whether you're going to get 80 or not. As simple as that. Peace.